Hello world, welcome back to Coding Scientist Robotics and Artificial Intelligence on Jetson Nano JetBot module. Alright guys, we are on lesson number 7. Let's take a look at our most exciting manual. Alright, so this is my manual right here. So what are we going to do in this lesson? Lesson number 7, we are going to fix the screws for the JetBot motor driver assembly. Alright guys, let's take a quick recap on lesson number 4. Let me just scroll it up. Lesson number 5, I think. Yeah, lesson number 5. We did fix these 4 small brass mounting screws, bolts, right? So I hope you are ready with this. And in this lesson, we are going to mount like this. So on top of that, we are going to take this entire module, that is the motor driver module, along with the 4 tall brass nuts standoffs which we fixed in the previous lesson, and we are going to mount that on the JetBot body with 4 small screws like this, right? So I'm going to show you how I fixed it so that it's pretty clear for you guys. Let me show you how this is. So this is how it looks like. So if you see, there are 4 screws here, one, and this is the second one, and this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. So you have to fix on that particular brass which we fixed on the body in lesson number 5. Can you see that? It's sitting on that particular brass, right? On all the 4 sides. See, can you see it inside? Inside this, that small brass nuts which we fixed on the body. So this is how your motor driver is going to be fixed on top of that, and make sure that is just hand tighten, guys. This is a word of caution. This is a PCB board. Do not tight too much. It has to be just hand tighten it with the screwdriver. Probably little, a little bit torque you can apply, but do not over tight it. So this is how it should look like. And most important thing, make sure that the LCD display, the LED display, it's a OLED display, I'm sorry, there's a OLED display, has to be towards rear side near the antenna mount. Okay, so make a note of it. So make sure that it's in this particular position. Your camera is on this side, and your OLEDs at the rear side, next to the antenna, in middle of the antennas. All right, so this is how the build is coming pretty good. I think it's pretty neat and fair, and we are going to continue with the next lesson. I'm going to show you how we can take it forward from there. All right guys, until then, goodbye. Do keep the assembly ready. We are very close to building the entire bot. Bye bye, see you.